Jews and Muslims also settled here.
Time and sleep.
पतितने आम्ही बुक केलेले आहेत. हे झालं 5 पतितने. त्या प्रत्येक पतितने काँग्रेस पक्षाचो 2022 सालच्या असेंब्लीचो जाहीरनामा मॅनिफेस्टो तयार करपाक कमिटी जी नॉमिनेट केल्ली त्या कमिटीन आतां पर्यंत 7-8 मिटिंगो घेतल्यो पब्लीक. त्या भायर गोंयच्या वेरीड सेक्शन्स ऑफ गोवन्स फ्रॉम ट्रेड, इंडस्ट्री, स्टुडंट्स, विमेन अशा सेक्शना कडेन आमी तेंचे कडल्यान आमी मतां घेतली आनी ते सगळ्यांक कोलेट करून मॅनिफेस्टोचो ड्राफ्ट आमी तयार केल्लो आसा. हो ड्राफ्ट आतां आमचे पक्षाची गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटी आसा आनी AICC आसा तांचे कडेन आमी धाडटले आनी तांणी स्क्रुटिनी केल्या उपरांत तो ड्राफ्ट आमी फायनल करतले. मागीर तो लोकां फुडें येतलो. आतां हे सगळें ताका लागून हांव डिस्क्लोज करिना ह्या कमिटीन केला कितें कितें त्या ड्राफ्टान आसा तें. परंतु हाचो जो मेन प्रिंसिपल behind formulating the manifesto is very simple, yet it is very crucial and important. What does it say? Goa is a unique place. We talk about its unique asmita, we talk about its unique character, and we all say that Goa should be preserved. But what has happened during the last few years when this present government came to power? They have destroyed Goa's this uniqueness. They have destroyed the ethos of this place. तांणी काबार केले गोंयचे खरे रूप आनी जे तेची अस्मिता आसा ती काबार केली. गोवा हे फक्त एक इज नॉट अ जॉग्राफीक एंटिटी. ती एक अत्यंत पवित्र अशी भूमी आसा. इट्स अ सेक्रेट लँड आनी सगळ्या धर्मियांची ही जमीन आसा. उदाहरणार्थ तुमकां सांगता, जेन्ना जेन्ना आमी गोंय बद्दल उलयतात किंवा कोंकण बद्दल उलयतात, then invariably we speak about Lord Parshuram, who it is said resurrected this land from the depths of the seas. Then we talk about Mangesh and Shantadurga. It is again, mythology tells us that Parvati, now known as Durga or Shantadurga, came here and sat in meditation, and her consort Mahadeva came looking for her. Ultimately they settled in Goa. Actual truth did not be gone into. People's faith and belief is important. Then it is also said that Krishna came here and spent his time. When Saint Xavier came here, or the Portuguese came, Christianity arrived here, it took deep roots in this soil. So much so that Goa came to be known as the Rome of the East. Before all this, it was Jains and the Buddhists who came here. Jews and Muslims also came. Along with them came their ardent followers. The saints came here. Scriptures were written here. Holy books were written here and read. So every Goan in that sense is a religious-minded person. He is faithful to his whatever faith he follows. And at the same time, he has a loving character. He extends hand to his neighbor, whichever faith, whichever religion he may belong to. So therefore, the sum total of all this is that Goa, if you go to Kerala, they say Kerala is God's own country. Now, Goa is very significant letters that the word Goa has. It is, the word is properly analyzed. G stands for God, O stands for own, and A stands for abode. So this is Devacha Ghar. It is God's own abode. And if it is God's own abode, in what way should we preserve it? What should be the government policies? Should we keep it open for drugs, drinks, prostitution, casinos, and all nefarious, immoral things? In what way should we nurture our kids and children? In what way should we create their future? So all this concept came up during our discussions with the people, and therefore we have said that we shall take every step possible to conserve or preserve for posterity this uniqueness of Goa, where all religions come and reside in total unity, serenity, purity, and what have you. So therefore, this becomes the thrust of the manifesto that we have done this. Now, to go ahead further on this aspect, after promising that we shall preserve this uniqueness of Goa, simultaneously, materialistic development is also very important. Each religion will take care of its own, of the future of its faithful, so far as its scriptural aspect of it, or the what should I say?
Faith is concerned.
That faith is concerned. But material importance is also there. Development is also required. Education, health, everything is required. So we are coming out with 5 different pratijñas, promises, solemn promises. Those 5 solemn promises are outlined in this case, and I will just read them out for you, one after the other. Now, what it speaks about is, number 1, these 5 pratijñas, first is that every Goikar, we shall take care of aspirations of the Goikars in such a manner that he becomes a Swabhimani Goikar. His self-respect is to be nurtured and maintained. That we will do. So under this, to make him a Swabhimani Goikar, we will provide free education to all students till they graduate. And all skill education is provided free. We shall provide job opportunities to all through sound tourism policies, sustainable mining, development of commerce, trade, industry. All whatever government posts that are remaining vacant will be, within the first 6 months, will be filled. And now you've seen the fiasco, the nepotism, corruption, favoritism, and whatnot has gone into filling these so-called 10,000 government jobs. Or in future, all government jobs will be filled through a staff selection commission. That is one of the pratijñas. We shall regularize and confirm all contract government employees and daily wages within the 5 years. So that's our first promise of making Goikar a Swabhimani Goikar. Then the second aspect is he should be a Swayam Nirbhar Goikar. Swayam Nirbhar. That means a self-dependent, self-sustained, reliant person. He should be, there will be no opportunity for him to beg and borrow from anyone. So each family that will sustain itself. In what way? We have come out with this Nyunatam Aay Yojana. Nyunatam is minimum annual guaranteed income per poor family. Now this NYAY, Nyaya, or the Nyunatam Aay Yojana, comprises of giving rupees 6,000 per month to a poor family, or 70,000 per 2,000 per year. And this Nyunatam Aay Yojana will cover, what people are talking about, we will give this free and that free and so much money to the woman and so much for the householder and so on and so forth. What we say is people, are moving about with broken backs. The skyrocketing prices have completely devastated the common person. So all these water bills, power bills, cooking gas bills and so on will be absorbed under this scheme. So that is the crux of this matter called the Nyaya. We shall promote all Goan occupations like tawny tapping, fishing, carpentry, bakery, pottery, agriculture, etc., by making them economically viable. Students and senior citizens, differently able citizens, how do they travel from place to place? We will provide free public transport to them. Every Goikar should be a Surakshit Goikar. He should face no problem whether it is a girl or a boy or a man, whoever moves around. So for that purpose, we shall reform the police. We'll have the Goa Police Act, we will have a Goa Manual, we shall have judicial reforms for quick justice, especially for crimes against women, children, senior citizens. We'll have a unified anti-corruption agency with full autonomy and an independent oversight board. So you have seen what happened during the last regime. We have the Lokayukta, powers of Lokayukta were taken away by the government. Lokayukta became only a showpiece. They have no investigating powers, they have no prosecution powers. And every report that came out from the Lokayukta, God knows where it is lying, where it is pending. No inquiry whatsoever has been made in that. Health of the governance is important. So the fourth promise is Nirogi Goikar. So we will take preventive health care through free annual checkups, diagnostic testing, counseling, etc. We shall include free all types of surgeries and treatments, including physiotherapy and medicines to the poor. Medical college is an important health providing health center that we have. We shall give autonomy to the Goa Medical College, and both district hospitals will be connected to it. For that purpose, that college will be elevated to the standard of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS. We will increase the medical seats, MBBS seats, at the postgraduate level. So, under this, we shall see that every Goikar remains healthy, nirogi. And finally, we should be a self-governing Goikar. The fifth promise, Swaraj Goikar. What is to be required to be done? Panchayats, Gram Sabhas and Panchayats. We will devolve functions, functionaries and finances upon the Panchayats. We shall establish ward sabhas in municipal areas. So according to the concerned law will be amended. We shall set up special vigilance cells with citizen participation in municipalities, panchayats and government offices to prevent harassment due to corruption and delays. And then, after considering all these 5 promises, with the implementation of this, every Goan's Human Development Index will be prepared, or a Human Development Report will be prepared, and this will be made public every year. So this is in short the overview of the manifesto that we have put together, and I am thankful to my colleagues, Mr. Elvis, Mr. Alvarez, Mrs. Bina Naik, and all others, our members who helped us in preparing this, members of the public who came to see us, who forwarded their valuable suggestions, and we have collated them and put them together. I again say that this is not final. This will be further vetted by the concerned offices. We'll make a presentation to our future candidates whenever they are selected. And each candidate will be called upon to prepare a manifesto for its own constituency. That's also very important. So this is a general concept that will be prepared. Sector-wise, these promises are to be fulfilled sector-wise. So there are promises here for agriculture, for health, for medicine, and whatnot. Law reforms, all that has been done, and in course of time, we shall make known to the public everything. ते आम्ही केला ते आम्ही सांगतले लोकां कडेन, आनी हे आमची एक जनरल आमची एक भुमिका आसा, ती भुमिका लोकांनी समजून घेवची, आनी म्हाजी खात्री आसा की आमच्या गोंयकारांक ही आमची भुमिका आवडटली. बेश्टे स्टेजीर रावन हांव तुका हें दिता तुका तें दिता आनी अमकें करता तमकें करता हें सांगपाचें आमचें ना. आमचें गोंय सुपुल्लें गोंय म्हणटात तें, सुंदर गोंय आमी म्हणटात तें, पवित्र अशें गोंय आमी म्हणटात तें राखपा साठी कितें करतले हें आमी दिल्लें आसा.
Sir, only 5 promises you can tell us short.
Again?
Yeah, only name.
Names.
पहिले प्रॉमिस आसा आमचें स्वाभिमानी गोंयकार, आनी ह्या स्वाभिमानी गोंयकारान तुका सांगलां आमी कितें कितें आमी करतले तें. दुसरें आमी स्वयंनिर्भर गोंयकार करतले. त्या भितर तो न्याय हो कन्सेप्ट येता. म्हणजे न्यूनतम आय योजना येता. तिसरो येता आमचो सुरक्षीत गोंयकार. दादलो आसूं, बायल आसूं, जाणटो आसूं, भुरगो आसूं, प्रत्येकाचें जिवीत म्हत्वाचें आसा. ताका संरक्षण मेळटलें, गोंयकार सुरक्षीत उरतले. चवथें प्रॉमिस आसा प्रत्येक गोंयकार निरोगी आसतलो. ह्या भितर आमी सगळे मेडिकल सर्विसीस ज्यो आसात आमच्यो PHCs, हेल्थ सर्विसीस गांवांतली खेड्यांतली सगळी एका अंडर वन अम्ब्रेला येतल्यो सगळ्यो येतल्यो. इन्शुरन्स आसतले ताका लागून आसतले, सर्जरी सगळें फ्री आसतलें ताका भितर आसतलें. आनी गांवच्यो PHCs आसात आनी गांवच्यो जी क्लिनिक्स आसात, इवन प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटल डॉक्टरांची आसात, ती सगळी थ्रू टेलिमेडिसीन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजाक आमी कनेक्ट करतले आनी निरोगी गोंयकारचो कन्सेप्ट पूर्णत्वाक हाडटले. आनी फायनल आमची पांचवी प्रतिज्ञा आमी आसा की आमी सेल्फ गवर्न करतले. आमच्यो ज्यो ग्रामसभा आसात तिका आमी स्ट्रेंथ दितले, फायनान्स कमिशन जातलें ताका लागून, आनी ऑफिसर्स हे ते सगळे त्यासाठी काम करतले आमी करतले. म्युन्सिपालिटीन ग्रामसभाच्या सुवातेचेर त्याच प्रमाणे आमचे कडेन वॉर्ड सभा आसतल्यो. जिल्हा परिशद ज्यो आमच्यो आसात तेय आमी स्ट्रॉंग करतले, पण त्याच बरोबर जिल्हा खूब व्हडलो जाता म्हणून तालुका लेवलचेर सगळ्यो पंचायती आनी सगळ्यो म्युन्सिपालिटी आनी त्या भागांतले जिल्हा परिशद मेंबर एकठांय येवन तांची एक अनऑफिशियल अशी एक बॉडी आसतली, एडवायझरी बॉडी आसतली, तिच्या मार्फत आमी काम करतले.
So these are 5 promises which are decided today in the meeting. Will be the
This has
final
been
or
decided.
will be going to your high committee?
Yeah, yes. Not this is just the gist of our manifesto. आता आम्ही सांगला तो. For gist आसा, there are details. Sector-wise details are spelled out. ते सगळे आम्ही डिस्कस करून तुमच्या समोर दवरतले, लोकांसमोर दवरतले.
हो जो डॉक्युमेंट आसा मॅनिफेस्टो डॉक्युमेंट ताच्या फाटल्यान खूब मेहनत आनी टायम गेल्लो आसा. आनी आय एम पर्सनली सॅटिस्फायड की जी सजेशनां गोंयच्या लोकांची आयिल्लीं ती हितून कॅप्चर जाल्ली आसा. आनी 5 प्रतिज्ञा ज्यो आसात तातूंत भितर ते सगळें आटापून हाडलेलें आसा. हें ताणें ऑलरेडी सांगलां म्हणटकीच हांव एकच सांगूंक सोदतां, आतां जो इशू चलता जॉब स्कॅम जे म्हणटा, आनी जो मिनिस्टर जो चीफ मिनिस्टराक डायरेक्ट वचून कंप्लेन दिता तेंचे भितरलोच एक MLA, पणजेचो MLA, की 70 कोटीचे जे स्कॅम जाला म्हणटा ते लोक म्हणिना तेच म्हणटा. आनी शेमलेसली हो गव्हर्मेंट हाचेर कांय एक्शन घेना. हो जो बाकीचे जे ह्या टेस्टाक अपियर जाल्ले बाकी भुरगे हजारांनी, म्हाका दिसता 20,000 तरी भुरगे हितून इनवॉल्ड आसा, तांकां फटयल्ल्या भशेन जाल्लें आसा की तांकां हांगा वच थंय वच, ह्या डिपार्टमेंटान एग्जाम दी, तीच एग्जाम परत दुसऱ्या डिपार्टमेंटान दी. आनी गेले 2-3 म्हयने ते नाच जो चालू आसलो तातूंतल्यान तांचेर खूब मोठो अन्याय जाला. आमी ह्या काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या वतीन सांगता की हे फुडें जावचें न्हू म्हणून हे सगळे एम्प्लॉयमेंट वील बी ब्रॉट अंडर वन अम्ब्रेला आनी इट वील बी ऑटोनॉमस. एक्चुअली ते केल्ले तांणी, पूण they wanted this fixing to be done at the respective department level. म्हाका दुसऱ्या सांगपाक जाय जे हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट आसा गव्हर्मेंटाचे डिपार्टमेंटांनी तांकां ते न्हीद पडपाक जाय. हो जो अन्याय केला बाकीच्या हजारां भुरग्यांचेर ताणें खरें म्हणजे थंय खंय तरी मदीं आडखळ घालूंक जाय आसली. आनी चड करून हे जे PWD सारकी खातीं जो MLA एक्यूज करता तितून चवकशी जावपाकच जाय. कोणीय सांगतलो चवकशी जावपाक जाय. ताणी कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट वर्कर्स जे आसात तांचो आस्पाव ना तातूंत, म्हणून ते आतां पळय स्ट्रायक करता. कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचेर टिचर्स आसा तांचे कोणाक पडोंक ना. मागीर तुजे हे आसा आमचे सीफेरर्स आसा तांचेय बी खुबशे डिमांड आसा. आंगणवाडी टिचर्स आसा तांचे बी खूब डिमांड आसा. हे सगळे कुशीक दवरून ह्या भायल्या भायर फिक्सिंग करून रिक्रुटमेंट चल्ला. दीस इज टोटल मॉकरी ऑफ द होल सिस्टम.
So this will be a part of your manifesto also for job.
Yes, very much this will be. See, we have to prevent this. We cannot do injustice to the vast majority of the people. हांगा जे चल्लां ते दुसऱ्याचेर अन्याय जाला, हजारो भुरग्यांचेर अन्याय जाला टू सिलेक्ट अ फ्यू. This should have been merit based recruitment. हे कांयच दिसना. There is not even semblance of merit based recruitment. आनी हाजेर जर खरेंच चवकशी जाय, I can tell you as a former head of department, खुबशे लोक त्रासान पडटले.
This one.
There's a whole list of demands like 3 linear projects, river nationalization, 16B. So what we've decided is that to make annexure to this manifesto called a U-turn manifesto. since this government is all about U-turns, they decided to name it U-turn manifesto, that all the government decisions that have to be reversed in the interest of Goa and Goans will fall under that. We don't want to fill this main manifesto up with all these reversal of the draconian BJP policies. So we'll make a separate manifesto called U-turn manifesto only for reversing BJP decisions that are against Goans.
So what exactly he means is, जी decision आपले आता या सरकारान घेतल्या completely against the interests of Goans. There will be a separate annexure that will highlight this aspect. For example, अशेंच आमचे न्हंयेर nationalize करून उडयले. 16B हाडले. This is draconian section, that is, doing away with large land resource, change of use, जाय तशें. मागीर तुजे
full time
3 linear projects. हे पळय जी डिसिजन आसा, मागीर तुजो कोल हब करपाची जी तयारी आसा, all these kind of decisions will be reversed, for which a highlighted annexure will be brought out.
And regarding Madhe,
Yes, Madhe, we have put in great detail in the manifesto how we are going to approach this issue, because ह्या सरकारान खूप डॅमेज केल्ले आसा. आमचे पोझिशन, लिगल पोझिशन सुद्धा ह्या सरकारान डॅमेज करून दवरलेले आसा. So we will get the best legal advice on this and approach this subject before the judiciary.
vending machines.
In the interest of Mahila Welfare, we have decided to provide for the self-help group people, especially the ladies, self-help group ladies, that they should find a marketplace. Now, where to find this marketplace? Maybe at the bus stand or maybe in any of the public places. So that we can encourage them to produce more and more things and be self-reliant. Second thing, which is very important today, is security vigilance for women through Mahila Corps, and security cameras shall be ensured at public places if we come into power. Hostels. Now, most of the ladies in Goa are working ladies, and they have to travel from Cancun to sometimes Panjim or from Pedne to Margao. So in looking at the plight of the ladies, if we come into power, we'll provide hostels for working women at Margao and Panjim will be established. Fourth point is Griha Aadhar shall be enhanced from rupees 1,500 to 3,000. The Indira Gandhi National Widow Pension Scheme, that is IGNWPS, under the National Social Assistance Program shall be increased from 2,000 to 3,000. Now, officers for Goa State Commission. Now, what happens? Most of the ladies, whenever any family problem arises, crops up, they don't know where to go. Many ladies call me and ask me, where are we supposed to go? Since I was there for 2 terms, I advised them that we have to go to Panjim. So the ladies who are coming from Pedne or maybe from Cancun, they find it very difficult to go to Panjim. So now, if we come into power, we have decided that we should establish 2 offices of GSW, that is Goa State Commission for Women, at Panjim and Margao. And there should be a full-time secretary, and support of police personnel is required. Because I have seen many a times when we call both the parties, okay, aggrieved and the other one, so the fight takes place there itself. So we require a police personnel during inspection, at the inspection time also, and in the office also sometimes we require. Inquiry and public hearing shall be provided in both the offices. Next is in order to look into the hygienic part of young girls and ladies, if we come into power, we'll try to provide napkin incinerators, and vending machines will be established in schools and colleges as well as at the bus stands, so that we can maintain the hygiene of the ladies. The toilet and public conveniences shall be provided at major beaches from Keri in the north to Palolem in the south. We shall reserve about 1/3 seats in professional colleges and in government jobs, and also encourage reservation for women in private sector. Recently, Priyanka Gandhi ji was here, and she has announced that if Congress government comes into power, 30% seats in the government jobs will be reserved for women. And so we look forward towards that. Then women and children's safety and security are of paramount importance. We will strengthen the police force. We will recruit more women as constable and sub-inspectors. Women police will be visible on the streets, markets and beaches of Goa to enhance the sense of security of women and children. The number of all women police stations will be increased. Now, one thing that we have noticed is that since a lot of eve teasing and as we have seen more killings, molestations and rapes and all those things, now looking at that angle, we feel that more security should be given to women, and we will see to it if we come into power. Next, women self-help groups will be organized in the villages and town wards of Goa in order to create self-employment opportunities for women and to provide them with new avenues for income and credit, to be self-reliant. Self-help groups will be provided assistance of rupees 1 lakh in order to set up their activities. Now, one more thing which I would like to add here is that pink color buses should be provided free for girls, students and women. Free in Goa wherever they want to move. So if we have pink color buses, if those buses should be only meant for ladies, whether it is a girl child or a college going student or school going student or maybe a woman or an old lady. Pink buses try to provide pink buses for the women for transport. Thank you.
This will be for the with child. With child.
Yeah, with child. If there's a baby has a small child is there, then with child. Pink buses. That's what they have. BJP has come with the thing today. I read in the papers that they have come with the pink color police bus for police personnel to keep a vigilance. We appreciate that, but hope it works. And they have not mentioned about the number. Okay, they have said that you have to connect it to that particular station, and then it will be that message will be passed on. But what I feel is that instead of sending the message to that particular place and then they sending it to the other police station, I think at a particular block, means particular constituency, they should have a separate number or maybe connection whereby we can immediately call the cops from that particular area. We welcome that gulabi, pink color vehicles for the security of women.
Pink colored buses shall be pressed in service as a measure of special service for women.
Yeah, that's what. That is the pink color buses.
Shall be pressed in service.
Yeah.